Danish doesn't have a word for please. Does that make the Danes rude? No! We have other ways to express politeness. For example, in the way that we ask people to do something for us. For example, when ordering at the bakery, instead of saying, "Jeg vil have en kanelsnegl," we can ask more politely like, "Jeg vil gerne bede om en kanelsnegl." The use of måske is another way to soften a request and make it more polite, as it puts less pressure on the receiver, as in this example, "Kunne du måske åbne vinduet?" And of course, your tone of voice, how friendly you sound, and a genuine smile are other ways to show politeness to others. What's the word for please in your language? Comment below. Join me for my online free Danish class, perfect for beginners, on Monday, 14th of October at 7 p.m. Copenhagen time. Just click the link in my bio to sign up now.